Good morning everyone, respected sir, principal ma'am and all my dear friends. My name is Jian Savalia from Standard 2nd. Today I will you tell me about environment project. My topic is types of houses. There are so many types of houses. Here, there kacha house, flat building, tent, solar house, houseboat, and igloo. If you like my project, kindly like, share, subscribe for my school YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.